Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the performance of your Vivo Y76 5G charger that comes with it using the Gosund electric socket, which is a smart version, and it will show us some performance statistics right here. You can see it on this phone. So let's try plugging in our charger. I'm gonna plug it into the smart socket and then into the Vivo. In the second we should see the performance, and they will grow for a second. So now it's stable, so we can see current milliampere hours, power voltage, and in total kilowatts per hour. So you can see all the statistics, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.